Wait for it. Whoa, whoa! Oh!
It's like a bombardment in the clouds.
Right?
Oh, wow, did you see that one?
Yeah, I got it too.
Oh, crap.
You know, I wouldn't be surprised if my camera just breaks from this.
I don't know. It's not bright enough.
Oh God, I'm being blinded even looking at the screen.
Oh, there's another one. Just look at that. It's nuts. It's
Freaky as hell.
chain lightning, eh?
Right? Whoa, I got those two at the same time.
It's amazing how brightly the whole
Woo!
landscape looks.
Whoa, I saw that in the corner.
That was a big one.
My camera just keeps on refocusing itself.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's nice. I managed to zoom out and I'm got a bigger coverage of this area.
Man, what a storm. Whoa, that was a nice one.
Oh my God, this is amazing. Dude, we don't even need to go to the air show. This is like more cool.
I mean, apparently since the air show was lame, we saw the cool stuff at the.
Whoa! Did you see that one?
Yeah.
It hooked down. Okay, now I'm getting scared.